If you want to enhance your security on Kraken by removing old devices, follow these simple steps to ensure that only your current devices have access to your account. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Visit the Kraken website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings by clicking on your profile icon or name. Look for the Security section in the menu options. Step 3. Review Authorized Devices. In the Security settings, find the option that lists all authorized devices. This section will show you the devices that have access to your account. Step 4. Select devices to remove. Identify the old or unused devices that you want to remove from your account. There should be an option to select or highlight these devices. Step 5. Confirm removal. After selecting the devices, look for a Remove or Delete button. Click it and confirm your choice when prompted to ensure those devices are no longer authorized. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your device access and maintain a secure Kraken account. Regularly reviewing your security settings is a good practice to keep your account safe.